Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And like I said in the earlier video, it wouldn't take much longer for Verizon to get the services back up and running. And in that video, I told you guys to periodically restart or airplane mode your device to get the process going faster to reconnect back to the network. Well, now we have an official message from Verizon that the network is fully restored. Verizon engineers have fully restored today's network disruption that impacted some customers. Service has returned to normal levels. If you are still having issues, we recommend restarting your device. We know how much people rely on Verizon and apologize for any inconvenience. We appreciate your patience. So like I said, I was already tipped off that they had the root cause figured out. They had the problem isolated and they were putting in a solution. It just took a little bit more time, and then more and more devices and then got back on the network, and then the KPIs, I believe they were more balanced, and now everything is back to normal. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. Hopefully you guys can chat with Verizon, call in, probably very high volumes right now, to get a credit. For those of you who were affected, I recommend for you to call in maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, not right now because you're probably going to be on hold for an hour, but make sure you call in to get a credit. Ask for at least $10, I would say. I know for some of you, depending, right, you probably would like more, but I would say ask for at least $10 of a credit for this outage, for the inconvenience. You might have missed a call, not being able to reach out to loved ones, family members, pick up your kids from school. You know, who knows what it was, but make sure you call in and get your credit. Make sure you do that. So just wanted to make you guys aware that this has been resolved. Now everything's back to normal and you guys should be good to go. And make sure you restart your device if you're still having issues. Make sure you guys stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Live. See y'all in the next one. Peace.